What colors will the iPhone SE2 come out in? Refute the rumors. At the end of March 2020, Apple will release a new 4.7-inch smartphone iPhone SE2, aka iPhone 9. A lot is known about the new product, including the colors of the case in which the model will be released. They should be recalled against the backdrop of the latest fake leak. At the end of the week, iPhone SE2 renderers began to spread on the web in an updated design in 4 colors: black, silver, yellow and red. Many media outlets wrote about these renders, including some major publications. However, it later became clear that the leak is a fantasy of the designer and is in no way associated with Apple. Renders were created by an amateur designer and later posted on Twitter. The true colors of the iPhone SE2 cases previously revealed an authoritative analyst Min-Chi Kuo. In the fall, its sources learned that the smartphone will be released in 3 colors: gray, space gray, silver and red. The colors will match the colors of the iPhone 8 case. It is noteworthy that the iPhone SE2 will not be released in gold. At least this was reported by sources of the famous expert. The presentation of the iPhone SE2 will be held in late March 2020. Together with a smartphone, the iPad Pro 2020 will be presented on it, the design of which was declassified this week. Today Apple has become very predictable. Almost everything becomes known about their new devices before they go into production.